Getting buyers is easy, but works for getting sellers. That is the code I haven't cracked.
That's the code I've been trying to crack for a little while now. So,
but here's the thing. I'm going to tell you the truth. 1 year, like for the first few years that I was doing videos, that's all I got were buyers. But then that next year was all sellers. I mean, all last year was all sellers.
Yeah, and I mean, so Christina's going after that wider net, and she's just reaching people, and some number of those people are going to be in her area and have some real estate transactions. So there's a couple of different models for going after sellers. One, you can go if you go after buyers, those you may be able to get some move up buyers or move down buyers. So if you covered like 55 plus communities in your area, that may get you some move down buyers who are researching that. I just closed last month. I closed on a seller that I got from YouTube, and I got them because they also bought a home. They were a move up buyer. They sold their townhouse, bought a bigger home. One strategy that I'm trying to employ is I was making content just about Maryland. And it's just, well, who's my target audience? People living in Maryland. Let me just make content about Maryland to get them to watch. And some number of those people also have a home to sell. And then another strategy you can use, and I've seen a couple of agents do this very well, is that they make really good entertaining listing videos. And their entertaining listing videos get them more listings in their areas. And you can even run those as YouTube ads in your area. I'm not a big proponent of YouTube ads, but I like that model of making really great listing videos and then running that as an ad in your area to get more listings.
And that is when you do those kinds of videos, they're great for when you go to a listing like appointment, like you're trying to get the listing and you show them those, that cracks the ice right away. Soon as they see those, they're like, I'm sold.
And I think the real trick is to make them entertaining. Tim Macy just had a great, really entertaining listing video he did. It was like 5 reasons not to buy this house. You can watch that.
I liked that one. That was a good one.
Yeah. Colin from Small Town Agents, he works a lot of comedy into his listing videos.
But he's like the guy next door, he's just like, he's the guy that you're going to sit down and have a beer and relax with. He's not stuffy at all. He's not like,
he knows his target audience.
And he's your friend. Like you already know, like he's going to be your friend.
Yeah.
You know that immediately,
He probably gets some really cool clients that way too. Those stick in the mud clients that are real pain in the neck. He probably doesn't get those.